Alright. Sorry I'm filming this at night, but we are here at the Hampton and Vriginia Beach, Oceanfront South. And this hotel just got renovated and the others just got new cabs. And these are Fujitec, not brand new though. The others were not modded or anything, but just kept as is. Yeah, we'll point it down. Exactly.
You want to do the down, up, and back?
Down first, up to 10, and then ending at that floor that we started. Yep. See which one. I think it's this one. Dewhurst buttons. I usually find in Canada. Let's go to 1. One time when I came to this elevator, it glitched up. These owners are incredibly busy. That's why I'm doing it at night. Here at 1. 10. Kind of shaky though.
They're gonna get that down?
Yeah, 10.
You wanna go check it out? See how it looks?
Let's see. Oh, let's take a view. You're gonna be so scared. But wow. Here's Vriginia Beach. From the 10th floor, exactly. There's the Days Inn. And it's very dark, too. Alright. Now we're gonna go back down. Oh, the other was already here. Let's go to 8. That's where we started, and that room is there.
Very loud.
It is very loud, to be honest. And I want to honestly take a look at this cab.
Wow.
Look at this cab. I'm gonna take a picture of that, to be honest. That's a very nice cab. There it goes. That's it.